escape to a serene mountain cabin nestled in the woods and features two bedrooms and three baths. This incredible property offers usable land perfect for gardening, playing, and enjoying quality time with family and friends. This cabin is ready for you to move in or rent out as a vacation rental. Imagine sipping your morning coffee by the creek surrounded by nature's beauty. This idyllic property is a rare find. Come and make it yours. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.